All right, this is 2017 plates and patches football, doing 2 random teams per spot. There's 1 autograph, one of one printing plate, and 1 memorabilia card per box, plus a couple short print numbered cards. So. All right, everybody that's in on the breaks over here on the left, starting from Frankie G down to Frankie G. Copy everybody's name, take you guys over to random.org, and paste everybody in twice, 2 teams per spot. As always, we will go 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th, and final time. Good luck, guys. 9. Frankie G up top, and Chris C on the bottom. And take you guys back over here to the football spreadsheet. So we got Cardinals down to Redskins. Make those names a little bigger for you. And those are your teams for 2017 plates and patches football. Thanks again, guys, for filling it. We really appreciate it. Good luck, everybody. All right, guys. Yep, 1 autograph, a 1 of 1 printing plate, and 1 memorabilia card per box. Here we go. Good luck. Plates and patches. Do it like we always do. Open this up. We'll go right off the top. All right, first up, going out to the Detroit Lions, and Cards and Brews, Calvin Johnson. Calvin Johnson, number 4 out of 10, red variation. Going out to the Detroit Lions, a red variation, 4 out of 10. Very nice. And that's going out to Detroit, and Carlos T. Very nice. And next up, wow, this one's going out to the Chargers. Going out to the Chargers, Kellen Winslow, Hall of Fame, class of 95. Let's see here. There we go. There it goes. Hall of Fame, Kellen Winslow for the Chargers, going out to LA, and Keith B. Keith B picking up that Winslow for the Chargers, and that one is numbered 8 out of 10. There it goes. 8 out of 10, Kellen Winslow Sr. Very nice, man. All right, next up. Wow, look at this patch. I like it. Bang. Well, Blake Bortles, 4-color nasty, going out to the Jacksonville Jags. 12 out of 50. Number 12 out of 50 going out to the Jacksonville Jaguars. That is Michael A. Wow. 12 out of 50. That is ridiculous. Nasty, bro. Blake Bortles for the Jags. Very nice. Yep, I like Blake, man, a lot. Very nice, man. 12 out of 50. And we got a 1 of 1 printing plate. Who's it going to be? Arizona, Frankie G. Black plate. Going out to the Cardinals. 1 of 1 from the Classics football. This is a insert of David Johnson. Next level insert, David Johnson. Printing plate. 1 of 1, the black plate. Going out to Arizona. Very nice. There he is, David Johnson. And last up, going out to the Vikings, Latavius Murray. This one's number 56 out of 99 for Minnesota. And Chris C. Chris C. picking up that Latavius Murray. That one's number 56 out of 99. Very nice. Give you guys a quick recap. There was the 4-color patch of Blake Bortles, number to 50. Blake Bortles going out to the Jaguars. We had for the Chargers, this one was number 8 of 10, Kellen Winslow. That's on card, by the way, no sticker. On card autograph Hall of Fame edition. Very nice. Then we had the 1 of 1 David Johnson printing plate for the Arizona Cardinals. Black printing plate from the Classics football. 1 of 1. And our 2 numbered cards were also pretty nice. Low numbered Detroit Lions red variation of Calvin Johnson, number 4 of 10. That was numbered out of 10, going out to the Lions. And Latavius Murray for the Vikes. And that one was numbered out of 99, 56 of 99, going out to Minnesota. So thanks again, guys, for getting in on the plates and patches. About to get into some Prestige football and some Chronicles baseball. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it. Bambino, on to the next. We out.